Grooming your beard can be an intimidating process, but maintaining your facial hair to ensure that it remains looking its best at all times can be an easy, even enjoyable task with the right product in hand. A reliable beard trimmer is one of the essential weapons in your arsenal to help tame your facial hair. They trim down your beard using adjustable guards that ensure a clean, even cut for a smarter look. So if you are interested in buying one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Take a look at the description below to see all the mentioned products and their buy links. Let's begin our list with the Bevel Beard Trimmer. This trimmer doesn't require any screwdrivers or hardware for quick adjustments and snap the blade off and adjust to 0 gaps. It provides consistent power with or without a cord and maintains the same precision. The blades repel dirt, oil, and build up to help prevent bumps and irritation. For simple cleaning, wipe it with a damp cloth or use a brush to more deeply clean the blade, firmly holding its base to ensure it stays in place. It is weighted for optimal in-hand balance and maneuverability with a smooth touch on the skin. This product runs cooler than other trimmers so that you can hold the trimmer comfortably and securely. On the other hand, its superior control includes a soft touch grip, and a custom faceted body allows excellent control and a 360-degree non-slip handlings. With a complete stainless steel finish, next on the list, we have the Wahl 986 4SS Beard Trimmer. It's lithium-ion 2.0 technology, which provides up to 6 hours of runtime, twice the torque, and a 1-minute quick charge for 5 minutes of use. It allows this trimmer to provide 5 minutes of runtime from only a 60-second charge. This trimmer is complemented by Wahl's patented blade design and a series of heads and guide combs that allow guys to groom it all, from head to toe. It uses 12 easy-to-use beard attachment guards, ranging from 1/16 inch to 1 inch. The smart LED charge indicator informs you when your device is charging and when it's done. However, it outlasts other rechargeable trimmers with up to 6 hours of runtime from a 1-hour charge. The Philips Norelco Multi-Groom 3000 is an all-in-one trimmer with everything you need and nothing you don't. This toughest multi-purpose trimmer boasts tempered steel cutting blades that self-sharpen and won't rust. It includes 13 pieces to trim your face and head, including a full-size steel trimmer, steel detailer, nose, ear trimmer, 3 hair cutting guards, 3 beard trimming guards, 1 stubble trimming guard, and a storage bag. This durable trimmer includes impact-resistant cutting guards, a steel-reinforced motor, and a powerful lithium battery delivering 60 minutes of runtime. The 5-minute quick charge provides enough power for 1 full trim. Additionally, its precise steel blades create clean, straight lines and evenly trim through the thickest hair without irritation. Cut your clipping and trimming down to size with the Wahl Peanut trimmer and clipper. It has all the power and performance of a full-size clipper and all the versatility of a heavy-duty trimmer with detachable blades. With a convenient, reversible finger ring, which helps with controlling the clipper while in use. Plus, it comes with 4 attachment combs for variable lengths and a detachable blade for easy cleaning. Furthermore, it is specifically designed for smooth, precise, and ultra-close trimming on thick, textured, and multicultural hair types. The next product on the list is the Wahl 9818 Stainless Steel Beard Trimmer. Its patented technology provides superior cutting for all hair types and lengths. The blades are long-lasting for quiet performance, for outstanding performance in a hair and beard trimmer. This cordless beard and hair trimmer for men is equipped with a long-running lithium-ion rechargeable battery, usable with 110 volts and international 220 volts. Its powerful lithium-ion plus technology provides up to 4 hours of runtime, twice the torque, and a 1-minute quick charge for 3 minutes of use. Besides, it features 12 easy-to-use beard attachment guards ranging from 1/16 inch to 1 inch. Moreover, it has a smart LED charge indicator that informs you when your device is charging and when it's done. Enjoy best-in-class styling with the most advanced trimmer, Philips Norelco Multi-Groom 7000. You can enjoy maximum precision with dual-cut technology, which includes 2 times more blades. The steel blades lightly brush against one another, sharpening themselves as they work. It uses a powerful lithium-ion rechargeable battery that delivers up to 5 hours of runtime per charge. The trimmer's frame is made of stainless steel for long-lasting durability, and the rubber detailing provides best-in-class comfort and control. Its reinforced guards are individually marked and deliver clean, even cuts and trims on beard, stubble, head, and body. Plus, its extra-wide design helps capture more hair in each stroke for faster trimming, hair cutting, and fading. On the other hand, the narrow design of the steel precision trimmer makes it easy to precisely edge and finish small details. We hope our video was informative and useful for you. Please show us your support by clicking the like button and subscribing to our channel to watch more videos about the latest products.